How to put photos on top of each other on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open the Snapseed application on your phone. Once you're here, tap the plus icon as shown to open a photo from your library. Select the base image you want to edit and tap on the checkmark in the right corner. In the editor interface, tap on Tools at the bottom. From the menu, select Double Exposure. Tap the Add Photo icon to choose a second image to overlay. Select the second photo from your library. It will appear on top of the base image. You can move and resize the top photo as you like. Use the buttons on the bottom panel to change the blending mode and tap the opacity icon to adjust the transparency. When satisfied, tap on the checkmark in the bottom right corner. To save the image, tap the export icon in the top right as shown. Select Save Copy from the menu to keep your original photo intact. Following these steps, you can easily put photos on top of each other on an iPhone.